In America, we want our cake and we want to eat it too. We're looking for the Swiss Army knife of vehicles that can take us to work, to school, for those weekend adventures, for those great vacations, and also for a night on the town. But it's also got to save us money, be inexpensive, and the list just gets longer. In the new age of American vehicles, versatility reigns supreme. A modern family vehicle has to be ready to transport unexpected passengers. So 3 rows are a preference. And as 45% of Americans road trip more than 500 miles, that is the perfect family vehicle. But it must be ready for unforgettable road trips. 64% of Americans want environmentally friendly cars for commuting to work or dropping the kids off at school, but they don't want to pay more for them. From the office to a night out downtown, the modern family wants a vehicle that does it all. When we need so much from our vehicles, the list of suitable candidates starts to shrink. The Lincoln Aviator, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and just a few others make that list. Because we adventure, we need room to carry stuff like 4 golf bags or 3 medium suitcases. That is exactly what you get in the back of the Mitsubishi Outlander. And as a bonus, the Outlander PHEV goes off-road using 2 electric motors to navigate some rough tundra. And the list of tech is getting longer too. Large screens are at the top of the list, plus things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Can you imagine buying a car that doesn't have either of those? And people want safety as well. And the extras that you think about, like quilted seats or massaging seats and cooled seats. And why should the kids in the second row have to go without things like heated seats? By far my favorite feature is the fact that the Outlander PHEV does 38 miles on electricity alone. You can also use the onboard gas generator to recharge the engine. And it has a rear plug outlet with 1500 watts of AC power, so you can run a TV, pump up your inflatables, or even light your campsite. You can do 420 miles of adventuring before you need to fill the tank or charge the battery. And it's no couch slouch with 248 horsepower. I even took it for a spin on the track. There are new options arriving every year, but when Americans want safety, affordability, and eco-friendliness seamlessly combined, you might have to look to some unexpected candidates like the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV to meet your expectations. Now, with the average car price around $48,000 in North America, we're still looking for that one vehicle that can do absolutely everything. And there are a few out there, if you look hard enough.
I'm Nick Miles.